G'day everyone, it's Crusoe. Hey yo! Jesus. Wipe the dust away a little bit. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah, it's the walking carrot. So, we're just, I've got heaps of polyurethane on the back of this cabinet. You don't have to drill the sucker in with untold screws and that sort of thing. It gets held that much with silicone your home and hose. That line I've drawn there, that's dead in line with that. So I could come over a couple of mil because this is like 1195, so it's 5 mil smaller than 1200. So that's centralized nicely. That'll go there. It's out of the road. The screen goes up there, so that's nicely in the middle, and it's at a good distance away. The hole down there for Reese, the plumber, he's just ducked away something to do with his truck, his work truck. So that goes in there like that. They're nicely centered. Nice one. He'll put a cover over those holes. Right, I'll get the bench, silicone that down, and we're laughing. See you soon.